Welcome back to our SEO coding exercises series. In today's episode, we'll be exploring the world of schema markup and its role in enhancing search engine understanding of web page content. By implementing schema markup, you can provide search engines with structured data that helps them better interpret and display your website's information in search results. Let's get started. Before we dive into the coding exercise, let's understand what structured data and schema markup are. Structured data is a standardized format that provides additional context and information about the content on your webpage. Schema markup, on the other hand, is a specific vocabulary or code that you can add to your HTML to define and structure the data on your webpage. Now let's move on to the coding exercise. Imagine you have a web page that contains information about a product. Your goal is to implement schema markup to enhance the search engine's understanding of the product details. Step 1. Open the HTML code of the web page in your preferred text editor or development environment. Locate the section where the product information is defined. Step 2. Identify the relevant schema types for the product information. Schema.org provides a comprehensive list of schema types that you can choose from based on the nature of your content. Step 3. Select the appropriate schema types for the product information. This could be product, review, aggregator rating, or any other relevant schema type that accurately represents the content on your webpage. Step 4. Incorporate the schema markup into the HTML code by adding the necessary code snippets. This includes defining the schema type, specifying the properties, and providing the corresponding values. Step 5. Validate the schema markup using Google's Structured Data Testing tool or any other similar tool. This ensures that the schema markup is correctly implemented and free of errors. Step 6. Once the schema markup is validated, save the changes and upload the updated HTML file to your website server. This allows search engines to crawl and interpret the structured data. Congratulations, you successfully implemented schema markup on your webpage. Now let's discuss the benefits of schema markup and its potential impact on search engine visibility. First and foremost, schema markup helps search engines understand the content on your webpage more accurately. This can lead to improved search engine visibility and higher rankings in search results. Second, schema markup can enhance the appearance of your website's information in search results. Rich snippets, such as star ratings, product prices, and event details, can make your listing more enticing and increase click-through rates. Lastly, schema markup can also benefit voice search and other emerging technologies. By providing structured data, you make it easier for search engines to deliver relevant information to users through voice assistants and other devices. And there you have it. Schema markup is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your website's search engine visibility and user experience. By following these coding exercises and implementing schema markup, you'll be able to provide search engines with structured data that helps them better understand and display your content. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore another exciting aspect of SEO coding. See you soon.